question to the Honorable Home Minister.
संविधान का मत
When he was the Home Minister of Gujarat,
संविधान का मत
he had been arrested, sir. Whether he took the morality of that point of time.
मुझ पर झूठे आरोप लगाए तब अरेस्ट होने के पहले मैंने नैतिकता के मूल्यों का हवाला देकर इस्तीफा भी दिया और जब तक मैं कोर्ट से निर्देश नहीं हुआ कोई संविधान पद मैंने स्वीकार नहीं किया। महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि भारत के संविधान का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए।
Sir, this violates principle of separation of powers. Due process undermines the right of the people to elect a government. Sir, it gives executive agencies a free run to become judge and jury and executioner based on flimsy allegations, suspicions, sir. Sir, only when an offence is proved beyond reasonable doubt, then only you can leave the post and the membership. But here a mere accusation, allegation, the punishment of losing one ministerial post will follow. Sir, this is the 1933 Gestapo movement. Gestapo, when Gestapo was found in Germany, this government is hell-bent on creating a police state. This will be a death knell and leash on elected government, sir. Indian constitution is being amended to turn this country into a police state.
This bill is squarely destructive of the basic structure of the constitution. अध्यक्ष महोदय, भारत का संविधान का जो मूलभूत ढांचा है वो ये कहता है कि कानून का राज होना चाहिए. There should be rule of law. और उस rule of law, कानून के राज की बुनियाद है कि आप बेगुनाह हैं जब तक आपका गुनाह साबित नहीं किया जाता. You are innocent until proven guilty. This bill stands that fundamental maxim of jurisprudence on its head. It makes an investigating officer the boss of the Prime Minister of India. The second ground on which I oppose this bill, it violates Article 21, the due process clause. FIR, arrest, charge sheet, and even framing of charge does not in any manner substantiate guilt. In fact, you plead not guilty only after charges are framed against you. This bill turns the fundamental jurisprudence of Article 21 on its head. Number 3, it distorts parliamentary democracy, which is again basic structure, by displacing will of the people through mere custody, bereft of judicial determination.